Hey, my friend, I want to talk to you here briefly about breaking free from the paycheck system. Let's just get right into it. You face reality. You've worked several years in your career, and now you're looking at your retirement plan and you realize that you're going to be struggling in that retirement plan. You're going to be living paycheck to paycheck, even during retirement. And even though your income is really good now, there's hardly no savings. You don't have that 6 month. I don't want to depress you or preach to the choir, but it's a reality that you didn't really want to face. But now you are totally owning up to the fact that that paycheck system, is not enough for you. So you're looking right now, your only income is your job, and you're thinking about what happens if this income disappears tomorrow, because that's likely. The workplace, the work industry, the 9 to 5 has totally shifted since the pandemic. And it only seems to be getting more, I won't say worse, it's just getting more interesting. But you still have bills, you still have expenses, you still have that retirement plan, but it all depends on your paycheck. But what if there's a way for you to change that? And I know you've been thinking about that. This way for you to change it is you take control. When you create your own income, you take control of your destiny and your outcomes. So now you're going to work walking in freedom because you have this other thing going on for yourself. So no more worrying about job security. You can work for yourself on your own terms while you're working full time. So imagine this. Imagine earning 100, 300, 600, $900 payments, $1,000 payments, working just 2 hours a day. No hype, no joke. Being a part of an interactive, supportive community of people who are just like you, wanting and going in the same direction as you. And you can do all of this working from anywhere at any time. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? So you're moving, you're making big moves now, big adult moves. You don't want to let your financial security depend on someone else. You're done with that. You have the power to change your financial future. It's time for you to take that first step. So, as you're exploring and you're looking to start an online business that fits your lifestyle, you're looking for a business where you can learn, where you can earn, where you can soar, all the things that you've always wanted. No more putting you in the box. You want to be outside of the box. You want to work part time. And once you're thriving, it's up to you if you decide if you want to stay on your job or go full time with your online business. You'll be able to do that when you are in control of your own destiny. So, what's the next step for you? I want you to go to the website that you see here on the screen or click in the video description. And I want you to watch this presentation. You're going to learn how you can start earning on your own terms. And once you watch this presentation, email me and let me know what you liked best. Okay? All right. Many blessings. Click the link in the video description and let me know what you like best. Many blessings.